Thank you for subscribing and hit that notification bell. Welcome back, everyone, and I am so excited to introduce to you the newest Polygel kit from the Markartt company. This is their Rainbow Polygel kit. It is absolutely gorgeous. The colors are just so bright and beautiful. I can honestly say that I wrote to the Markartt company and I asked them if they would come up with some rainbow polygel in a kit, and they decided they would check into it. And this was back in February. And yeah, I've been helping them pick out colors, and we've been keeping this a big secret from you all. And now the secret is out. This kit is available now, and it is $55.99 free shipping, I believe, on their Amazon store. So I will have the link in the description box for you. The ideas creating with this kit are just endless. I mean, there's so many things you can do with it. I've already did 4 different things with this kit here, with these colors of polygel. And in this video, I'm going to show you 2 of them. I am in so much love with this kit. I am just so happy to be able to introduce this kit to you, because you know what? There is no other kit out there like this. Markartt has the first rainbow polygel kit out there. These colors are beautiful, bright, and happy, and you are going to love creating with these. So let's get started, and I'll show you what's inside this kit. Everything comes packaged very well in this box. And here are the contents. Be sure to read through your instructions. You are getting 50 nail forms. Here are your 7 tubes of polygel. There are 30-gram tubes in all the colors of the rainbow, and all the tubes have a foil seal on them. And here are the dual forms. Now they do run smaller than normal, at least they do for me, and there is 60 of the dual forms. And you get a file here. This is a 120-240 grit file. You also get the Markartt brush with the spatula on one end and the brush on the other. And you get their shiny Top It Off and also the base gel. Everything you need here to create nails. All you need for your slip solution is isopropyl alcohol. And now I'm going to do some designs for you. And in this video, I'm going to be using the clear forms here that you see. And the reason being is that the dual forms don't fit me. And also, I believe that with such an opaque polygel, that you should be using a clear form so that the polygel will cure all the way through. I'm going to be using Markartt's clear polygel, and I'm going to create a clear nail so I can build my design on top of that. The nail here acts as the base or platform for my design. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time on showing you this because I've showed you this in the past. I've already applied the base gel. And here's what the nail looks like. It's ready to go. And now I'm just adding little balls of the different colored polygel all over the nail. And now I am using my brush and I am just patting them in place for right now, trying to get it nice around the cuticle area. And now I'm coming in with my needle tool and I'm just swirling it through the polygel. Now do remember that once the polygel sits on your warm finger, it's going to soften a little bit. So if you're having problems with your polygel being too soft, make sure you're using enough liquid, or you can also put the polygel in the refrigerator for a few hours before you begin to firm it up. And it's the same when polygel is too hard. You put the tube in some warm water. But yeah, I just push and pull the polygel towards the end of the nail. And I want to try to get a good structure on this first try because I'm not going to encapsulate this nail. And so I just keep on smoothing it out. And now this is some of the polygel that went over the tip of the nail. When I pushed all the excess to the tip, you have to take that off. And now I'm patting it down, and I'll go ahead and cure this for 1 minute. And now I'm doing the same thing, only I'm coming in with some glitter gel. And I'm going to use my needle tool and put it on in different parts of the polygel here. And then I'm going to use my brush and I'm going to pat it in place first. And now I'm coming back in with my needle tool and I am swirling the polygel into different other colors and making it kind of look like a tie-dye. I just really love doing this. This is so fun. I love it. It just turns out so beautiful. And now I just take my brush, pat it and pull it down towards the tip of the nail, making sure I have good structure. And now here is my thumb. This is another design, and watch this. Just look how you can just pull that polygel right through each other and create these beautiful swirls. It looks like paint almost, but it's not. I just continue to push, pull, and pat the polygel until I get it in place the way I want it, and then I'll go ahead and cure that in the lamp for 1 minute. I lightly filed the nail and buffed it, and now it's time to top coat it with their top coat, which is super shiny. Once I get it top coated, I will go ahead and cure it. I showed you how to do a tie-dye design without glitter and with glitter. And in the next video that will be up just as soon as I can get it edited, I will be showing you how I do a polygel fade and how I make this polygel into 3D gel. So be looking for that video up next. Thank you so much, Markartt, for allowing me to introduce this kit to everyone. It was such a pleasure to work with you and help you on this kit. And thank you to the rest of you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.